Hey people of IKEA, why is this one not on your list of 10 creative ideas with Ivar? If you don't know how to build a boat, can you still build a boat? And I want to make absolutely clear here that I do not know what I'm doing. Seriously, I had to Google complex nautical terms like mast and rudder. This is cardboard and I'm designing the rudder. I was looking at the rudders that you find on the Nordlandsboat, but those are ridiculously small. Those are huge boats and then the rudder is just this wide. So I'm thinking, if I move that about in the water, is that going to give my boat as much turning momentum as I want? I don't think that my boat is going to be as balanced as those legendary Nordlands boats. So I decided to do the following. What if I now make a rudder that is somewhat on the larger side? If I later find that it's giving me too much steering power, so that it's slowing the boat down, what I will do is I'll just cut a bit off and have a bit of a smaller rudder. Oh yeah, this is important to note. As you can see, this is a back rudder. It's on the back of the boat. And not a side rudder, as you would find on a true Viking boat. So yeah, I'm gonna give my family the easy to use rudder that's just gonna make this boat more attractive to sail with. And I will make a traditional Norwegian push-pull tiller. So you're in the boat and if you push it backwards, the rudder goes this way. If you pull it towards you, it goes that way. Because a rudder that you swing is handy on a boat that has a straight back. But since they have such a fine end, these boats, you're gonna stick your hand out really far outside of the boat to have a big ruddering, to have a big steering motion. It's magic. Yeah, so people from the Netherlands do wear clogs. I accidentally oiled my clog. Okay, so that was correct in theory, but in practice this little block here is in the way. Oops. Now what?